This is all we need. We don't need more. We just need enough. Not just for ourselves, but especially for others. Tama na yun. Hindi na natin kinakailangan maghangad pa nang hindi naman natin kayang dalhin. Sabi nga po, di ba? Hindi importante na wala tayong kasalanan sa mundo. Ang importante, may nagagawa tayo para sa ating kapwa. Maliit man o malaki, we can always bless them with our time, with our efforts, not just our financial resources. Diba? Stay humble and be contented with what we have. God bless us, O Lord.